Zimbabwe military intelligence sources late Saturday night moved to calm growing public speculation following the sudden removal of Colonel Mini Baloyi, the wife of Vice President Chiwenga, from a powerful position within the Military Intelligence Directorate. Sarabina Mashkobra watching ZDF moves to explain removal of VP Chiwenga's wife from strategic intelligence post. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The development yet triggered widespread debate within defense and political circles after reports emerged earlier in the day that Baloyi has been removed from the strategic intelligence position he had occupied for several years at Zimbabwe Defense Forces headquarters, ZVAITWA. A senior figure within the Military Intelligence Directorate (MID) told ZVAITWA that the move should not be interpreted as a peg, but rather as a routine rotation within the intelligence command structure. In quotes, Mini Baloyi had overstayed for 6 years in the same position, the senior intelligence sources said late Saturday. She was supposed to run on the post for 3 years, so this is a normal rotation. She will be redeployed. The official added, the internal military procedures normally require intelligence officers to rotate between sensitive assignments in order to prevent over-consolidation of operational influence within one office. For years, Baloyi had been stationed at the ZVAITWA, where she reportedly occupied a critical role within the MID command channel through which intelligence from both the Zimbabwe National Army and the Air Force intelligence branches was processed before moving up the chain. The removal had immediately drawn attention because of the sensitivity of the position and proximity to one of the country's most powerful political figures. The some intelligence source also suggested that the removal of Colonel Mandaza, who had been serving as Director of Military Intelligence in the Army, may be connected to a separate internal controversy involving the leaking of details relating to a military intelligence officer. According to the source, the matter concerns an incident in which an MI officer was accused of assaulting constitutional law scholar Professor Lavo Madugu, a case that he had quietly circulated within defense and legal circles. The DMI Mandaza's removal could be connected to the leaking of details of an MI officer who was accused of assaulting Professor Lavo Madugu, the source said. Toma developments aripo zvazviitaurwa neTheZDF pamusoro pekumoviwa kwakaitwa Mini Baloyi. Pera kumasection medu zofunguro aimba to leave pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.